When's the last time you nourished your heart? Hi, I'm Susie from Yoga is Served, and here is a 15-minute practice that you can do anytime you need a gratitude reset or a hug. Just a little self, mental, and heart hug. Have a blanket, find your mat. You can find your couch or your bed. This is a really gentle practice that you can do pretty much anywhere. And I have my blanket rolled up just a little thicker than normal. And I'm going to sit down right in front of it. And I'm lying back into bound angle pose. Just ease yourself back, spine to the earth. Make sure your head and neck are comfortable. And then your knees are going to open out to the sides, soles of the feet pressed together. And then bring one hand to your belly, one hand to your heart. Let your eyes close and start to notice your breath in and out through the nose. Feel your belly expand and your heart expand, your chest. Exhale slowly and just feel yourself sink in here. Let yourself reset and rest. Inhaling slowly and naturally through the nose. Feel yourself bringing in calm energy to your heart. Exhale, relax your hips, relax your jaw. And as you're here in this quiet position, just focus in on the hand that's over your heart and see if you can feel your heart beating. Expand your inhale, expand your heart space. Exhaling slowly and completely. And let yourself rest here. We're going to sink in for another moment or two. Slow and easy breath. Feel your heart beating. That hand that's resting on your heart, let it be heavy. Feel the pressure. And in the energy centers of the body, our heart space is often represented with the color green. And so just imagining the most vibrant green you can think of. Imagine this green lives at the space of your heart. And each inhale, you're expanding and growing this light, this green, this vibrancy of your heart. And the exhale expands it even further. The inhale, you feel that green energy, that heart energy filling you. And exhale, let it fill the space around you. And just stay with this for a few rounds. Inhaling this vibrant green into the space of your heart. Exhaling that vibrant green out into the area, the room around you. Just fill your space. Inhale, lighting up from the inside out, feeling that love coming toward you. And exhaling, expanding that love out into your space, allowing that space to get bigger and bigger. Take one more deep inhale. Fill the belly, fill the heart, feel that love come toward you. Exhale, send it back out. Let your knees come together. Slow and easy. Hug your knees to your chest. If your blanket is too much of a roll, you'll just simply roll off of it. And then hug your knees to your chest. You can curl your forehead up toward your knees if that feels good. Slow, easy breath. This feeling of giving yourself a hug. Then feet come down, slowly roll up, come on up and over into tabletop position. And blanket can come under your knees if you'd like. And we're going to nourish our heart, front, back, and center with cat-cow. The breathing is slow and deep from the belly into all the space in your lungs. The exhale is just as full, and we'll bring that imagery back in. So as you inhale, you move to cow pose. The belly drops down, the heart and hips lift, expanding your green space, the green space of your heart. Exhale, curl and round, still expanding the green space of your heart, remembering that you're 360 degrees of awesome. Inhale. Drop your belly, lift your heart. Exhale, become more radiant in that space around you. And we'll go here for a minute or so. Cat-cow, opening up the space in our spine and our heart. Just radiate through this space. Inhale, fill. And exhale, fill the space around you, just continually expanding love within and around you. Three more. Feel the stretch. And come back to a neutral space. And then come on down to a seated position. You can sit in a chair if you'd like. You can also kneel if you'd like. And sit comfortably. We're here for about 3 minutes. So you want to have this feeling of comfort in your body. And right hand comes to your heart and left hand comes out. And we're going to expand here all around us into this loving field that we're creating. First, we created it in front of us. then front and back, and now we're going to expand it all around. So right hand to your heart, inhale and twist open to the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale left and exhale right. Inhale and exhale. This nice and easy, slow rhythm. And then energetically, our hands are an extension of our heart. So as we're here breathing, inhaling left, exhaling right, just imagine now that green of your heart, that vibrant color of your love, of that space that you're creating. Just imagine that you're expanding it all the way out, drawing it with your hands, with your fingertips. It's really creating this bubble of love all around you. Eyes can close. Focus into the gratitude of this moment, being able to breathe, slow down, and connect to your heart. Inhale left, exhale right. 30 more seconds. This sending and receiving of love, this continual expanding out and in. Inhale, both hands come to your heart. Left hand presses to the sternum, right hand presses on top. Press in, slow and easy breath. Feel your heart beating and just let your brain notice this signal to release more love in the form of oxytocin. Press into your sternum. Close your eyes. 5 more breaths. And gently stretch out your legs. And just move quietly. And we're coming up and into child's pose. Our final pose here will end class with a final moment of imagery. Soften into your child's pose. You can even lay flat on your belly if you'd like. Quiet in. And staying in your child's pose, just come to your spine and the back of your heart, somewhere in between and right under your shoulder blades. Relaxing in your child's pose. And use your breath and use your imagination to really expand into that space. We are 360 degrees of awesome, but we often only project forward. So take these last few quiet moments of class to nourish the back of your heart space, to fill in any holes, to heal any sorrow. Just inhaling, feeling that love expand inside and within you. Exhale, send that green vibrancy out into the space around you. Inhale, feel love come toward you. Exhale, expand love around you. Inhale, feel love come toward you, filling you, healing you. Exhale, expand that love out to where it's needed. 3 more breaths. And slowly start to come on up into a kneeling pose or a seated pose. Hands come to your heart for a final moment of gratitude. I'm just grateful for this time that you had to heal your heart today. And we'll end class with the sound of a single Om. Just really raising your voice, raising your vibration. Inhale deeply into your belly. Om. Thank you for taking the time to take care of yourselves today. Namaste. I really invite you to come back to this one anytime you need to heal your heart.